Southern Oregon offers a diverse landscape of seaside resort and fishing towns, as well as dense, unspoiled forests and clear mountain lakes. We toured just a few of these great sites with our Mitsubishi Outlander. Along the coast, you'll find beaches strewn with driftwood, semi-precious stones, or just plain old sand, making for a diversity of activities to enjoy. Rugged, rocky cliffs also hold back the sea in many areas. These spots provide good vantage points for whale watching as well. Historic lighthouses stand guard as navigation aids to the numerous commercial and recreational boats that call the coastal harbors home. In seaside towns like Bandon, you'll find an abundance of shops, restaurants, and museums to browse within a block or two of the water's edge. The city of Coos Bay, one of the largest ports for forest products in the world, displays its trade and shipping heritage through a variety of displays along the waterfront of the bay and throughout town. Just north of Coos Bay, beginning in North Bend, the Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area stretches along the coast with opportunities for off-road vehicle explorations, camping, and hiking. Some dunes reach as high as 500 feet. Right off the coastal highway, you'll also find secluded ponds and lakes shaded by trees, making for great hiking or picnicking spots. Moving just a bit inland, near Allegheny, Gold and Silver Falls State Park has hiking trails leading to beautiful waterfalls in a dense forest of myrtlewood. The trail actually was a treacherous automobile road many years ago. Oregon also has the largest concentration of remaining covered bridges west of the Mississippi, with about 50 still in existence. Brochures are available to help you find them and tour some of the locations. Traveling high into the Cascade Mountains, you'll find Crater Lake National Park. Crater Lake, at an elevation of more than 6,100 feet and known for its brilliant blue water, is the country's deepest lake at nearly 2,000 feet. The lake is 6 miles long and 4.5 miles wide, with a shoreline of 26 miles. Until about 7,700 years ago, the crater was Mount Mazama, an active 12,000-foot volcano. When volcanic activity ceased and the dome collapsed, it filled with water and snow to form the lake. A loop road takes you around the lake for different views and provides access to numerous trails leading to the surrounding lava peaks. Wildlife is abundant in the remote park, with deer, bear, and elk among the larger animals. If you plan a visit, remember that much of the park is closed through the long snowy season from late October until July. Whether at sea level or high in the mountains, our Mitsubishi performed exceedingly well. The Outlander's sporty handling made the curving coastal roads and twisting forest byways fun to drive, while its V6 power flattened the steep mountain grades. Sometimes slippery mountain roads were no match for the sure footing of our four-wheel drive system, and with good comfort and space for a compact vehicle, It was a great travel companion.